Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Clipboard history in Raycast, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Open Raycast on your desktop and let's click on the two dots here on the bottom left corner, click on Settings, and here just search for History, Clipboard History, and click on Clipboard History. So here you have to choose to keep history for 1 week or 1 day or 1 month or 3 months. For example, let's choose 1 week. Text recognition, make it double it on, so text content image will be automatically extracted and can be searched. This disabled application, you can also add some disabled applications here, and you can assign clip out history and hotkey, for example, switch to Control A or any other. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.